Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are seeing how to jam installation and on this level let's go jam download. Here is the Linux Windows Mac we are download for our Windows. Almost download here. Your depending on your network speed. My network speed very slow, that's why I have to let. We are waiting for our fish download. Download is finished. Now just click. Yes. Yes. Next. By default, you can your customize installation, but have no customization by default as it is. Next. Selection path. Where is installation? Next. 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 Yeah. Almost is finish installation. Just initialization. Just finish. Here is a now we're start our MySQL and Apache. Let's go our localhost, localhost, localhost. Yeah, is the admin. Yeah, just SQL click. Show dear passes. Just now go to the yeah. It's just here is a go. There's database show. Let's go with new command. Get, database name silent, silent, silent. Yeah, just go. Just here is where not databases. Just database. Now go. I think it's created is silent. Database created is done. Oh, thanks for watching. Let's